Steve Blythe, J.Racenstein, and this is ProTool cleanser. This is a cream cleanser that you spread on the surface and then rub to remove hard water and other staining from mostly glass surfaces. So hard water stains can be difficult to remove in their own right. Some people have their own homeopathic remedies using vinegar, which is an acetic acid, this one is a sulfonic acid that is mixed with a nice, easy to use paste and a little bit of an aggregate in there to polish the surface and bring up those hard water stains. So a little bit of hard water stain cream on your pad. Now, I recommend either a sponge. This is easier on the fingers because you get a nice application. Put some on the application and rub it off. Or same microfiber material, but without the sponge on it. Then you would roll it over a couple of times like this, apply it to the surface, and then use that to remove it from the hard water stain from the surface. Other use for this is to clean up those plastic headlamps when they're hazed over. So you put a little on the towel, tape off the edge of the headlamp, rub it onto that headlamp, and watch how quickly it comes back to a nice clear headlamp. Steve Blythe, ProTool Cream Hard Water Stain Remover.